everyone, welcome back to my earth-friendly kitchen. I'm Maria, your host, and today we are making salmon and zucchini yakitori skewers. First, I'm going to get some skewers. Now, I'm using wooden skewers, or you could use metal skewers, whatever you have in the house. But I'm going to use some wooden today, but you want to make sure that you soak them. So I'm just putting them in a sheet pan like this that has a little bit of water in it. And you want to soak them so that they don't burn in the oven or on the grill, wherever you're going to be cooking these. While those are soaking, we're going to marinate our stuff. First, we're going to start with our marinade for our salmon. We're going to take about 2/3 of a cup of soy sauce. We're going to do 1 heaping tablespoon of brown sugar. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 heaping tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. I'm just going to whisk it up. Once it's all mixed up, you're going to take a little bit out to reserve for when you're actually grilling or cooking the skewers. Just going to help us baste as we cook. Then you're going to take about 1 pound salmon fillet and you're going to cut it up into about 1-inch cubes. So cut it lengthwise. As you're cutting, you could also feel around for any leftover bones that the butcher may not have gotten out. Now that it's cubed up, I'm just going to put it into my marinade. And this isn't going to have to sit for long. It's going to soak up really beautifully. Push it in until everything is covered. And then set it aside. Now we're going to take some zucchini and we're going to cut it into really nice thin circles. I specifically got the smaller zucchinis at the store because first of all, not everybody buys them, and you save the ugly fruits and veggies that way. And for 2, they just look really nice on a skewer because you don't want giant pieces of anything on a skewer, right? It's meant to be small. So we're just going to cut them up into like 1/8 of an inch or so. Try to be as even and uniform as possible, not just for aesthetics, but also for cooking time. Zucchini is also really cheap in the summer because it's considered a summer squash, so you're going to be able to get it at a fraction of the price you can get it during the winter. Okay, so we've cut up our zucchini into nice, beautiful little circle rounds. Now we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. About a teaspoon of salt, some black pepper, about a 1/4 teaspoon, some onion powder, and some garlic powder. And just give it a mix. Now on those wooden dowels that you've been soaking, we're just going to thread it straight down the middle, and we're going to leave a little bit of space in between so that they cook evenly all around. When you're all done, it should look like this. Repeat. I don't know about anybody else, but this is very relaxing to me. Okay, when they're all done, they're going to look something like this. This made about 6 skewers with those 5 small zucchinis. Next, we're going to go ahead and skewer our salmon. When picking your salmon for the skewers, you want to try to get a piece that's pretty uniform all the way through, because you're going to wind up with very much smaller pieces sometimes when you have a salmon that really tapers off at the end. This also made about 6 skewers with 4 pieces on each. So now we're going to take these to the stove and we're going to grill them up on our grill pan while our zucchinis roast in the oven. Let's go. I'm going to roast these in the oven at about 425 for 10-15 minutes until they're nice and toasty. While that's toasting up, we're gonna grill our salmon in our grill pan. If you don't have a grill pan like this that has the nice grill marks on the inside, I 10 out of 10 recommend you get one. We're just gonna spray it with a little bit of nonstick. This is canola oil in a can. And we'll turn it on about a medium to medium high heat. The reason why the grill pan is important is because of the ridges into the pan. It allows the heat to kind of go around the meat as well, and it just gives it that grill flavor that you get with the char that you have when it's actually outside on the grill. You want to make sure that your pan is nice and hot, and you're just going to place your salmon pieces one side down, and you're going to flip as they cook. We'll do 3 at a time for a batch. They're only going to need about 2 to 3 minutes per side because salmon cooks up pretty quickly. And when you start flipping them, don't forget you have this beautiful marinade to just help baste, to give it that nice, delicious glaze that we love in a yakitori. Okay, the finished product. Look how beautiful and golden brown these zucchini bites are. They're gonna be perfectly roasted. Not too mushy, a little bit of a bite to them still. Got that roasted flavor. And then look at these beautiful yakitori bites of salmon. You see those beautiful grill caramelization marks that we got from the glaze. I'm just gonna take one piece off. This thing about skewers, you can just take off as much as you want. Perfectly medium rare. Beautiful salmon yakitori and roasted zucchini actually, for a quick summer dish. I hope you guys love it. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.